It's time for another installment of Sandwiches of Canada. Hello, I'm Sandwich Dad, here on the Prehistoric Podcast, 12 Podcasts of Christmas. For today's sandwich, we're going to be making a sandwich all the way from New Brunswick, a funeral sandwich, the cherry sandwich. Let's go. For this sandwich, we'll need a piece of bread. We'll need some maraschino cherries, some cream cheese, and some butter. First step, flatten the bread. Now that the bread is flat, I'll get my assistants to cut up some cherries for me. While they're doing that, I'm going to get some of this cream cheese into this bowl, or maybe since I don't have a tripod, I'll get my assistant to do it. There we go. Fine. Stir. Butter the bread. Then we'll spread our sherry and cream cheese mixture. When it looks more or less like that, we are going to roll it up. The next step is to chill this in the refrigerator for 24 hours. We're not going to do that. We're just going to eat it now. So, cut into 4 pieces. Spread them out nicely so they, quote-unquote, look good. And if you have a dozen more of these, you've got a pretty good spread for a New Brunswick funeral sandwich known as the cherry sandwich. All right, time for the taste test. Cherry sandwich, taste test. That's not bad.
No, not as bad as I thought. But the thing is, like, it's the sweetness and the bite from the cream cheese.
It works well.
Yeah.
I would bring that too and eat at a funeral.
Oh, yeah.
Sandwich Dad on the 12 Podcasts of Christmas.